Just got to the location, beautiful weather. Look at these beach houses, absolutely lovely. Lovely art.
Never drag Matt, Sasha. No big deal.
What a lovely day to get hit by a van.
I'm going to blow up the whole place.
Go for it.
How did you do that?
Are they on?
Yeah.
Switch all the ones that are off on.
I mean, that's definitely not going to snap when I hit it, is it?
That is essential. A bit short.
Oh, it needs tape.
It's got that modernist Japanese shutter look going on. Yeah. Very, yeah, feng shui. Very zen. Much zen.
It's wearing thin on the thumb now, not gonna lie. Bigger Allen key would have been great. But chair 3 is nearly done.
Chair 3 done.
Chair pretty much done.
Cool.
Chairs down. Almost done. And if anyone does need the house doing, please comment below. And we'll send the boys round. And anytime you want things like your wallpaper taping together, they're the guys.
Can you tell me how many people it takes to put up a wallpaper? Well, we started with 2, and then we gained some members, and now it's a 5-man job.
One table complete. That's what I'm here for, you know. That filming bollocks.
Fine. I've no idea if it's going to work or not. I just don't. What I don't want to happen is the van to hit me, and I just fall around about here-ish, and then just get run over, and then just like be a disappointment to my family and my friends, and to everybody who's ever known me.
How do you think it's going to go, guys?
Amazing. It looks good, doesn't it? Look, we've got a sideboard, we've got art, we've got a trilling.
We've got some trilling, yeah.
And we've got an air track, so what could possibly go wrong?
We're going to try one, I think. We're not quite sure how it's going to work. Nothing has gone to plan at the minute, so it's going to be funny.
That wasn't that intense, really, was it?
I think, yeah, 60 mile an hour.
One of the first times in an automatic, so I'll update this story. And now one of the first times reversing in an automatic.
Wicked.
For a mate, so it's good.
What's happening this time?
Get hit by a car.
3, 2, 1.
That's getting there, isn't it?
What kind of pressure are you under at the moment to count this down?
I'm currently holding the barrier that's actually saving me, so... And the countdown as well. There's a lot of pressure.
It's a big deal.
Pressure, yeah.
Big deal.
It might be better to take that mat off. Oh shit!
So starting on the clock, pulling in, sorting myself out, making sure I don't get hit by the van while getting the van in, following him all the way down. Into that, done. Easy. Piece of piss.
Oh, you gonna be alright?
I might.
You sure you're gonna be alright?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, somebody give Joe a hug. 3, 2, 1. At least I didn't give me whiplash at all. 2, 1. Should do one more. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1.
Oh, getting close.
Not quite close. 3, 2.
Stop just
How's that?
We're getting closer. Bit scrappy. 3, 2, 1. Here we have a strong chair from IKEA. Everybody with it? What's wrong with that? I think it's fine.
It's bloody brilliant.
You need to lose some weight.
Couldn't have gone any better. That was the first time. Does it still work?
Just about. Still works.
Oh, you just giving myself whiplash. Definitely hurt my neck. So that's it. It kind of worked. So I'm afraid this has got to go now. I know it's. If anybody wants it, then can't have it anymore because Joe's ripped it. So till next week.